Hey Stitchy Muses, it's Vivian here. Today I will show you the exact sewing machine settings I used for almost all my lingerie projects. Stitch 1, regular zigzag. Regular zigzag is my most used stitch. Width 2.5, length 2.5. I use this one for waistline, leg openings, underarms, necklines, garter belt edging, also for pico elastic and fold over elastic. So almost every time I use pico or fold over elastic. If I need a longer stitch, for example on a cover stitch edges, I use the width on 2 and length 3. For attaching the rings on faux tails, I use width 2 and length 1. For overlapping underbust or waist elastic, I use width 3 and length 1. Stitch 2, 3-step zigzag. 3-step zigzag, width 3, length 2. Perfect for faux on waistline, underarm or neckline. If I sew plush back elastic and I don't use a cover stitch, I use the width 5 and length 2. Stitch 3, the straight one. When I use a straight stitch, the length is always between 2.5 or 3. I use this one for backstitching, securing straps or sewing the bra closures. And I use the width wheel only to move the needle position. This is perfect if you are sewing the bra closure with the hooks. These 3 stitches are enough to sew almost any lingerie project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment or share it with your sewing friends. Thank you for watching and see you on Sunday.